What happens when you combine the antioxidant power of green tea with the clean energy of MCT oil? You unlock one of the most powerful natural synergies for energy, focus, and fat metabolism. If you're tired of afternoon crashes or slow mornings, this combo could change your daily routine. Green tea and MCT oil each have incredible health benefits on their own, but when used together, they amplify each other's effects. From boosting brain power to improving fat burning and stabilizing energy, science shows this pairing can take your wellness game to the next level. In this video, we'll break down exactly how green tea and MCT oil work together, why this combination is backed by research, and how you can make the perfect drink to kickstart your metabolism and mental clarity every morning. Welcome to a deep dive into a truly remarkable health combination. Today, we explore the incredible benefits of pairing green tea with MCT oil. This duo creates a powerful synergistic effect within your body. When combined, these two components amplify each other's individual benefits. The result is a potent health and wellness powerhouse. It offers a unique blend of sustained energy, enhanced cognitive function, and robust metabolic support. This combination has become a popular choice for many health enthusiasts. It provides a natural and effective way to optimize overall well-being. Discover how this simple addition can elevate your daily health regimen. Green tea is renowned globally for its exceptional health properties. It boasts a rich antioxidant profile that contributes significantly to its benefits. This ancient beverage is packed with beneficial compounds known as catechins. Among these catechins, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, stands out. EGCG acts as a particularly powerful antioxidant within the body. It actively combats harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. By neutralizing these free radicals, EGCG helps protect your cells. This protective action potentially reduces the risk of various chronic diseases over time. Regular consumption of green tea supports long-term cellular health. Beyond its antioxidant prowess, green tea also supports a healthy metabolism. It plays a role in effective weight management strategies. The compounds in green tea contribute to increased energy expenditure. Furthermore, green tea is known to boost fat oxidation. This means your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel. Incorporating green tea into your routine can be a valuable step towards metabolic health. MCT oil, or medium-chain triglyceride oil, is primarily derived from coconut oil. Unlike other fats, MCTs are readily absorbed and quickly utilized as an energy source. This makes them a unique and efficient fuel. MCTs are rapidly metabolized by the liver, bypassing the typical digestive process of long-chain triglycerides. This quick conversion is key to their energy-boosting properties. They provide immediate fuel for your body. A significant benefit of MCT oil is its ability to convert into ketones. Ketones serve as an alternative fuel source for both the brain and the body. This is especially beneficial for those following ketogenic diets. This alternative fuel source provides sustained energy throughout the day. It helps you avoid the common blood sugar spikes and subsequent crashes often associated with carbohydrate consumption. Your energy levels remain more stable. MCT oil is also highly valued for its capacity to enhance cognitive function. It can significantly improve focus and mental clarity. This makes it a favorite among those looking to boost brain power. By providing a steady supply of energy to the brain, MCT oil supports sustained mental performance. It helps maintain alertness and concentration. This can be particularly useful during demanding tasks or long work days. The true magic happens when green tea and MCT oil are combined. Green tea's EGCG significantly enhances the fat-burning effects of MCT oil. This creates a powerful metabolic partnership. EGCG further boosts overall metabolism, making your body more efficient at burning calories. This amplification of fat oxidation leads to greater benefits for weight management. It supports your body's natural fat-burning processes. One of the most appreciated synergistic effects is how MCT oil's sustained energy mitigates potential jitters. This is particularly helpful for individuals sensitive to green tea's natural caffeine content. It smooths out the energy curve. This combination creates a smoother and more balanced energy experience. You get the alertness from green tea without the common caffeine-related side effects. It's a clean and steady energy boost. The combined effect supports both physical and mental endurance. It allows you to maintain focus and energy for longer periods. This makes it an ideal choice for active individuals and those seeking sustained productivity. The benefits of this powerful duo extend even further. The ketones produced from MCT oil are unique in their ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. This means they directly fuel the brain. This direct brain fuel leads to significantly improved cognitive function, enhanced focus, and greater mental clarity. Your brain receives a clean and efficient energy source. It supports optimal brain performance. Green tea's potent antioxidants further support brain health by protecting against oxidative stress. This dual action safeguards your brain from damage. It promotes long-term cognitive vitality. Incorporating this beneficial combination into your daily routine is relatively simple. You can easily add MCT oil directly to your brewed green tea. Stir it in for a creamy, energizing beverage. Alternatively, you can blend MCT oil and green tea into a morning smoothie. This offers a delicious and convenient way to consume both. It integrates seamlessly into various dietary preferences. For those who prefer, MCT oil and green tea can also be taken separately. You might enjoy your green tea in the morning and take MCT oil with a meal. Find what works best for your lifestyle. It is crucial to start with a small dose of MCT oil when first introducing it. Begin with half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. This helps your digestive system adjust gradually. Gradually increase the dosage over time as your body adapts. This approach helps to avoid any potential digestive discomfort. Listen to your body and adjust accordingly. This combination offers a compelling synergy for overall health and well-being. It supports energy, metabolism, and cognitive function in a holistic way. Embrace this powerful duo for a healthier you. So next time you reach for your morning coffee, try this instead. Green tea with MCT oil. You'll feel focused, energized, and balanced all day. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy science-backed nutrition tips that make a real difference. Thank you for watching.